I want us all to be able to pull up texts when we are at a loss and pull them up from our hearts. I pull on Bronte when I need defiance. I must stay in good health and not die. I pull on Austen when I need to remember that heroes are sometimes described as obstinate, headstrong girls. I pull on Dickinson to trust my gut, remembering that she said she only knew when something was poetry, when it felt like the top of her head has been blown off. I pull on Louise Erdrich when wondering if it's okay to go to bed without cleaning. And I remember that she said, recycle the mail, don't read it. Don't read anything except what destroys the insulation between yourself and your experience, or what pulls down or what strikes at, what shatters this ruse that you call necessity.